Have you ever wondered what makes up everything around us? What are the building blocks of the universe? The answer, quite simply, is atoms. Atoms are the fundamental pieces that make up the universe. They are so tiny that millions of them could fit on the head of a pin. Despite their size, atoms are the building blocks of matter, and everything you see around you is made up of these tiny particles. Now let's take a dive into the structure of an atom, the miniature universe in itself. An atom consists of three main parts: protons, neutrons, and electrons. The core or nucleus of an atom contains protons and neutrons. Protons carry a positive charge, while neutrons carry no charge at all. The nucleus is incredibly dense and comprises the majority of an atom's mass, despite being relatively small in size. Swirling around this central nucleus is a cloud of electrons. Electrons are tiny particles that carry a negative charge. They move in paths or orbits around the nucleus, somewhat like planets revolving around the sun. The number of electrons an atom has determines its chemical properties. Or in simpler terms, it's the electrons that decide how an atom will behave when it meets another atom. So to summarize, an atom is made up of a dense nucleus containing positively charged protons and uncharged neutrons. This nucleus is surrounded by a cloud of negatively charged electrons. The protons and neutrons give an atom its mass, while the electrons determine its chemical properties. Now it's worth mentioning that while this is the basic structure of an atom, there are also different types of atoms, known as isotopes, where the number of neutrons can vary. There are also ions, where the number of electrons can change. But that's a topic for another time. So next time you look around, remember that everything you see, touch, and even eat is made up of these tiny, fascinating particles called atoms. It's truly amazing to think that despite their minuscule size, atoms are the foundation of our vast universe. They are the building blocks of matter, the very essence of our world. It's a testament to the wonder of science and a reminder that even the smallest things can have a massive impact. That's all for today. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the universe is in the palm of your hand, made up of billions and billions of tiny atoms.